guys.
What's up?
What's up?
Right now we are on our way to Zach's place, and then afterwards we are going to
The Mountain Creek Waterpark.
That place is awesome, Kobe. You're gonna like it there. Isn't it gonna be your first time?
Yes, it will.
Awesome. I haven't been there in like 4 years.
I haven't been there in like 10.
Oh wow. They have a lot of cool stuff there, Kobe. You'll like them.
I'm definitely gonna jump off a cliff.
Oh, the cliff one is awesome.
Oh my god.
Even the one that's a half a slide, that one's also pretty cool.
That does sound cool.
And I feel like we're gonna have the time of our lives there. We're gonna be like in the wave pool nonstop, even like the water slides.
True.
It'll be fun. What else do you expect to see at Mountain Creek Water Park?
Games.
Oh.
And LB.
Oh yeah, we're going to celebrate LB's birthday today.
Do you know who LB is?
Yeah. LB is Brian, in case you guys forgot.
Yeah, like LB is the nickname Zach came up with while at Centenary. And
Yeah.
now that's literally all we call him.
I call him Brian still.
I just call him both sometimes. Sometimes I call him Brian, sometimes I call him LB. It is what it is, right, Alex?
I call him Frederick.
Yeah. So we will talk to you guys when we get to...
Zach's house.
Yeah, we'll talk to you guys when we get to Zach's house. See you guys later. We made it to Zach's house, and look who we picked up.
Hey, boy.
You ready for the water park, Zach?
Hell yeah.
You guys ready?
Yep.
All right. So let's go have the time of our lives at...
Mountain Creek.
Kobe, what did you just clap for?
I killed a bug.
Oh, I did not see the bug here,
I
man.
committed a murder on YouTube. Send me to prison.
Great job, dude.
All right. And I feel like we're going to surprise LB with something I bought a couple days ago. Right, Zach? Remember I bought this thing?
Oh, yes.
And it's air horn. How scared do you guys think he's going to get?
Very fucking scared.
What do you think?
Oh, yeah. He'll get scared, all right.
Yeah, because I think I scared Alex the other day.
You scared me like as I think you scared me at one point. You already scared me. If you know how scared I get with the car horn. Just imagine what your horn would do.
I do remember that. I honked at you many times a few months ago. That was hilarious.
God, like, literally every time I cover my ears now, thanks to you.
All right, so we will talk to you guys when we get to
Mountain Creek.
We'll see you guys later.
Later.
We made it, and look who's here. Hey! It's the birthday bro.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be doing a lot today, right, Brian?
Oh, yeah. We're doing a lot of vibes, bro.
Yeah. We're gonna have the time of our lives, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Right, guys? Time of our lives? Yeah. That's Andy, by the way. And what do you want to go on first, Brian? The cliff or the water slides?
Water slide, let's go.
All right, I'm down.
Go up there, up the hill.
Oh, yeah, I like that one. That one's awesome.
Oh, yeah.
So we will talk to you guys when we get on either the water slides or the cliff jumps. We will talk to you guys later. Wow, guys, the wave pool is like so cold. The water's like freezing cold. Oh my goodness, the water's like so cold. You guys cannot imagine. It's freezing, right? Yeah, awesome. Hey! Get Kobe! He's right behind you! Oh my god! Oh man! Hey Kobe! Oh my god! Oh! No! 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 Oh man! Woo! Whoa! Woo! Oh my god! You brother! Oh my god! Oh my god! Sorry. Three, two, one. Oh my god! Oh, I'm so cold! I know. Whoa! Woo! Alex, jump, man, jump! Woo! Woo! motherfuckers. He's going the distance. Yeah, he is. LB, your boy's going the distance over here. So, what are you gonna do about it? Oh!
You're ready to beat the Red Sox. What are you talking about? They put the big yesterday. Oh, well.
Alex. Yeah. Member, what you gonna call it? God damn it. Great Wolf. Wow. Member Great Wolf. Oh my god, I was so enjoyable, man. You got wrecked. I'm fighting those damn boys. Yeah. What? Oh my god. Yeah, so I got more than hot water. Hot water sucks.
Hot water is amazing.
How's the water, Andy?
Nice, bro.
You didn't know it was all gonna be on or what? With a whole like.
Now it's like 3 hours.
well, that concludes our day at Mountain Creek, right, guys?
It was a good one, though. Very good, fun pack, guys.
Yeah, there was like a lot of long lines. Well, not that many.
But hey, it was all worth it.
Yeah.
Yep.
I had fun when I went down on the one that it's like a launch thing, like a torpedo or something. It was like so much fun. You cannot imagine when the water went inside my face.
Oh yeah, high anxiety.
The high anxiety one was like my most favorite one. I'm not gonna lie.
And the rafting. The first time I rode with you and Kobe, and then I literally just surprised you guys from above.
Oh yeah, I do remember that.
Oh my god.
I'm exhausted. Aren't you guys?
Yeah.
A little.
And I surprised LB with my air horn.
Yes.
And not only that, we have a super secret sour weapon, also known as
Sour candy.
Yes. Sour spray.
Yeah, sour spray candy. And LB put it inside his mouth and they started coughing, and then I wish I filmed that.
Yeah, it was pretty funny.
Yeah.
Yeah. So right now we're just gonna go to Best Buy because Zach said he wants to check something out, and then we'll be going back to Zach's place.
Yes, we will.
So we will talk to you guys when we get to
My house.
Yeah, we'll talk to you guys when we get to Zach's house. See you guys later. We made it back to Zach's house, and when we were going up the hill, we literally saw a big black bear crossing the street. Right, Zach? Did you see?
Ran just right past us, guys.
I know. I'm just glad the bear didn't see us or anything. I don't know where it went. It probably went up to like that house's like a driveway or something.
Yo, it's like he was on a GTA run. He just ran right across the street into somebody's house.
I know, that was insane. That was the first time I see a black bear in this area. Aren't there bears in your neighborhood?
One of the bigger ones I've ever seen around here. Oh my god.
I know. Aren't there bears in your neighborhood, Zach?
Oh yeah, there are bears here. We don't call it West Milford for nothing. We have bears, deer, snakes, anything pretty much over here.
Oh man.
Mainly bears and deer though.
Yeah, and I think there was a bear spotted in my hometown one time, a couple years ago.
Well, I mean, it's northern Jersey. What do you expect? So, we got bears everywhere.
Yeah. It is what it is, though.
Alright. We just wanted to let you guys know about that weird moment we just had there.
Yeah, it was unexpected, and it was kind of scary.
A little bit, yeah.
And now we get to have some dinner and play some Smash.
Yes.
Yeah, definitely.
So we will let you guys know what happens in a bit.
Yeah,
See y'all later.
Yeah, so we will talk to you guys when we get inside. See you guys later. Oh my goodness, I'm just exhausted. Aren't you guys tired?
A little.
Yeah, we did a lot today.
Yes, we did.
And besides, the sun was pretty strong, don't you guys think?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess.
But I'm surprised that none of us got sunburned, which is good, right?
Yeah, I guess.
So right now we're playing good old
Mario Kart.
Yeah, I'm gonna play next, Zach.
Yes.
Because I played this game many times in the past, and I was pretty good at it.
Fun, bitches. It's fun.
Yeah.
Here we go, Alex. You ready?
Bless you, man.
Thank you, man.
And that reminds me, Zach, how did I do when I was Smash Bros earlier?
You did pretty good. We're gonna go back to that in a bit, though.
Yeah, I'm getting better at that game. I'm surprised.
Yeah.
Like this is.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. Smart steering off.
Can't do it now.
No, you can't do that, Alex.
Sorry, I seriously can't stand it for some reason. I understand why you guys like it. I just can't for some reason.
Wow, just look at that.
Yep, still.
Who's Yoshi and who's the other one?
I'm Junior. He's Yoshi.
That's why I love not using smart steering. The extra turbo.
Yeah, that's fun.
There we go, it's coming right back.
Oh. That's an...
How did I get above him in first place?
One more lap to go, guys. You guys got this. So I will probably talk to you guys when it's my turn or when we do something else. Right, Zach?
Yep.
Yep.
Because I'm going to be playing next, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to do good.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You think so?
Hopefully.
Alright.
Yeah. So we will talk to you guys later. So it turns out to be a pretty good evening, and Zach has something to show you guys.
My new lightsaber, guys.
That's awesome, man. That one is a lot better than your old one, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh yeah, it was a lot more too.
Yeah.
Don't worry guys, we got more to come, more fights, don't worry about it. I know this looks more legit, but we're also going to try and get some more next summer at Galaxy's Edge since we heard their lightsabers now are similar to this, instead of like what Alex is holding over there.
Yep.
Which is nothing on this, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Literally.
It's old school.
That's a, you know, MGM lightsaber.
Yeah, it's old school.
Very old school. This is what the next generation's probably
And
after.
this.
Exactly. Boom, look at that.
My next one's probably gonna be in green, but with a silver handle.
Yes. So this is what you guys are probably going to see in our Star Wars show when we start releasing teasers of the costumes and everything. But until then, may the Force be with you guys, and I'll let Joe handle the rest here since it's his channel.
And don't forget to subscribe to the Meme Star Squad. I'll put the link in the description. And it's gonna be a good series, right, Zach?
Oh, hell yeah, it will.
Yeah. Right now we're gonna start practicing for our series, so we will talk to you guys
later.
Yeah, we'll see you guys later. So it's the next day. We woke up like 2 hours ago, right, Zach?
Yes, we did. Alex is already gone, unfortunately, so he couldn't get in the clip. But hey, he's busy today, so we get it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we had a great time yesterday, though. Shout out to Brian once again for a great party.
And we may or we may not like add him in our group channel or something. What do you think, Zach?
I think maybe he would be interesting for maybe a sports area.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Maybe him and Andy for a sports section. What do you think?
I'm not exactly sure, to be honest. I guess it'll work that way.
I mean, for me, maybe it'll depend on the sports games. That's what it might be. Because me and Joe were thinking, like, we're not really planning on uploading stuff like Madden or NHL 20 or 19 on here. It's not really like that kind of channel. We're more of like about, how should I put it, like shooter games, role-playing games, party games like Mario Kart and Smash Brothers, Star Wars games like Battlefront 2 and Jedi Fallen Order, which I'm going to put a gameplay on. I'm pretty sure all of us actually are, which is going to be great for the group channel. You'll see our different thoughts on the story as it progresses. Because me, as one of the bigger Star Wars fans out of the group, it's going to be very interesting to see. Because I want to see if this is going to all be canon or if it's going to be in its own universe, which is going to be very neat to see either way. To see how it all fills in.
Yeah. And also, like, for the first time, we order pizza at like almost midnight.
But hey, it was worth it in my opinion.
Yeah, it was worth it.
It's not bad for midnight pizza.
I know.
Definitely had worse.
Yeah, I never done this before. I know that maybe a friend of mine did one time.
Didn't you say your brother did too?
Oh yeah, I did say my brother did that.
But apart from that, guys, we definitely have a few more videos coming out. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe to both the group channel and Joe's channel, of course. Because, hey, Joe needs subscribers. We might need some. There's fun on both ends. And to keep up the support, hit the notification bell. Leave a like down below. And we will watch you.
And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And we will see you guys next
time.
Yeah, we'll see you guys next time.